Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Common Central coming back with another video. Today we are playing some more Fortnite. I got a squad squad gameplay for you with the new Blitz mode. We played with me and my three friends, Zenith, Tabor, or Kabir. I don't know how you want to say that. TKJC Ghost. He's also got his own channel, which is Shift Motors. So we are playing some squads with the four of us. We got the win. It was an 8-kill game. Unfortunately, I forgot to put my headset into my computer to save to get the game audio, so it's only the video audio. And I just took out the commentary because it'll just be pointless having the commentary there. So I'm just gonna talk over the gameplay and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the little gameplay that I got here. I tested the new. I was using the new shotguns, and yeah, I think they're pretty garbage. Honestly, they're like they do a lot of like damage to the body, and they're like long range. But the headshot damage, there's like no damage on the headshot. And the highest damage I got on a headshot was like 114, and that's like right in the guy's face. So I prefer using the pump than the new shotgun. And I've tried to double heavy shotgun, which actually it works pretty well. It's not too bad, but yeah, if you stuck between choosing the pump or the tack or the new shotgun, I should go with the pump. Unless you want to pump, then a heavy shotgun. But pump is definitely the way to go. Pump's always been the way to go. What you say? And Far Cry 5 has just come out, and A Way Out, I think that's the other game. I might play some of that. I might buy that game. I'll see what it's about. Might do some walkthrough gameplay. It looks like a cool game. I played. I don't know the Way Out. I haven't like seen anything on the game. I just know it's a new game and everybody seems to be playing it now. And Far Cry 5, which is I played Far Cry 2, Far Cry 3, Far Cry 4. I didn't play Far Cry Primal, but yeah, so I know like the Far Cry and stuff. I know how that stuff works. So I could play that, but I'm more of a multiplayer gamer. I don't like doing walkthroughs and RPGs and stuff. Unless the game's for free, then I'll just play it. So yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. I haven't my schedule has been falling out of place. I've been like uploading like one day, then the next day, and then not for like another week or whatever. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. Whatever, who cares? So yeah, if you guys want to follow me on my social media, it's my Instagram is Rylan11, Rylan_Comedy11. My Facebook is Common Central, and also my Twitter is also Common Central. So you guys can go follow me on that. So you guys can get updates, or when my video is coming out, then I'll put a link down. And you guys can be the first one to watch my video, or you can just turn on the post notifications and you can be the first one to watch my video from there. That'll be cool. I think that's gonna be it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the gameplay as we get this win here. Tomorrow, or my next video at least, will probably 18-kill game, which is the highest kills I've got in the game. But yeah, things took a turn there, and yeah, I'll let you guys see the outcome for that game, so you guys can see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.